Okay guys, so we worked a full day and we're getting ready to go out. I don't have no makeup on, just have on lashes. Y'all just gonna have to deal with the way that I look. My room is already junky, but I'm finna just go. We finna go get something to eat from this waitress spot that we went to before. And I don't think I ever posted this fight since she's off the chain. I love her. She's so freaking friendly. So we're gonna hang out just a bit, not much because we have to get up and work a full day tomorrow. So we're just gonna hang out for a little bit, and I'll get some footage of us just hanging out on Bourbon Street in New Orleans, and y'all can meet Jennifer, you know, for a little bit, and you know, but we're just hanging out for a little bit, getting some oysters, and then that'll be it. So guess I'll see you guys a little bit later.
Facebook famous?
Oh, she's Facebook famous. See, I'm trying to be YouTube famous.
How do you know I'm not wanted? One time. Right, man.
You do have the face of a wanted man. Let me. See?
There you go.
There you go. I'm an official vlogger. My camera.
Official.
Ooh, I'm so hungry too. I know better.
So, okay, I'm on video.
Turn it vertical.
Oh,
Yes.
So I'm gonna do that the rest of the night.
Rest of the night. Rest of the night.
OMG. Yeah, right?
Yeah. Oh, when it's a line, that's how you know it's good.
When he tell us why are we going this way? What is this?
He said, go straight down this way. Make a left when you see the water. Oh no, he said get beignets, but you know what? We went this way.
We wanted that. We want that a part of.
Hello guys.
Hi.
I'm great. I'm Darielle. I'll be a server today. And I thought you guys had any drinks, any hurricanes?
Don't drop my shit. That's
No.
expensive. Okay, come on. You got me?
Yes, work it, Diva. We got that spin. Yes.
Am I press record? Okay, come on. Can we go in this way? No, come on. Oh, you going to coffee? Oh, he said he here.
He said he's here. Okay.
Do you see him? Oh no. Hello? I don't got us together in our uniform.
Girl, yes. That's gonna be a part of our
Okay, let me
situation.
flip this. And I gotta get us doing.
Oh, that's what you need to flip. That's why you like.
Yeah.
Get the flip.
Because you can see yourself.
That's true.
You don't need it because camera. Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, that's okay.
Some cameras have this thing right here to let you know that you on the This thing is looking at you.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh, and then you have to send it to me so I can put it on Instagram.
This ain't no picture, so
Oh, I'm sorry.
we recorded. Oh, tell them your YouTube channel.
Okay, my YouTube channel is Khalila Travels, KHALILAH channel. YouTube. So basically, I travel and I have a little skit for those people that like to travel, so you can get a point of view how we think about y'all. It's good things though. It's good things.
Okay, cool. Thank you. Okay, so I gotta get a video of us when we doing our thing.
Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. Then get a check. Nice style. Oh man,
See?
it's a hot mess.
That's why it's good to have this flip up screen because you can see yourself.
Yes. And it's good to work with cool people, you know, and we understand one another, you know.
See?
It's cut from the same cloth, creativity, coolness.
See?
Sassiness.
All right, cool.
Leaving Nola.
Leaving. Out of here. Good morning. I sound like a fifth grader. You do not.
I said, both in my hand are like a fifth grader hair. Sound. In my fifth grade, they had that style.
Not like a fifth grader. It's cute. You got your baby hairs going. Let me go check on this one because I'm sure they it's so dark. probably the lighting right there. Yeah, because it look better this way.
Alright, 90s babies.
You so stupid. Girl, we so stupid. Oh my god, so funny. Here we go.
Like around that time, I think. I'm guessing.
We about to get lit. I'm gonna show them what you like this in this fucking hat.
So video, I'm getting paid for this, right?
Hell no. I don't even get paid. No.
Yes, the singer. If you Google him, yeah, he's gay. On a Tuesday. She Tuesday.
Don't even know the word.
I'll get my shoulders back, my posture.
Yeah, sit up straight. Mama says sit up straight. I'm so tired. I'm going to bed. Good night. Good night. I'm getting a pimple. Look at this. That's fucked up. Good night. Waiting on the goddamn employee bus, which is nowhere near.
Your video could hear it with this earphones plugged in?
Yeah.
Oh, my fault.
Woo, woo, woo.
Oh, yeah.
Show this style.
Oh, yeah.
You don't even know the words.
Ooh, tired.
Yo, my lashes coming off. I glued them back down.
Girl, you had enough time.
Girl,
3 hours from
3
Cleveland all the way to Miami.
And I'm getting a pimple. I look like Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer.
And a little shiny.
Girl, look.
Me too.
You ain't got no damn pimple. I got a real deal pimple.